In 1977, two very strange sounds were recorded inside the ocean. Their frequency was very low while the amplitude was very high. These were recorded by the radar of the U.S. Atmospheric Administration. But the surprising thing is that the same sounds were also recorded in other radars 5,000 kilometers away. After calculations, when the location of these sounds was estimated, it was found that these were from the Indian Ocean, an extremely remote area of the South Pacific Ocean that was generated inside the ocean at that time. These sounds were called bloops, but research was started to find out what were the scary noises apparently. But these sounds must be of something very big, but in this part of the ocean I haven't found anything like this for many years. It was understood that this part of the ocean, there lives every big divine creature below. But after 2012 National Oceanic and the Atmospheric Administration has the stamp was changed to say that the record was made in 1977.